This is a video for all of my Tesla lovers. If you guys love safe stocks, obviously bigger cap stocks are the way to go, especially when the market is down. A lot of people freak out and they're like, well, I don't want to trade anything. The market's down. I'm just going to wait till it cools down. And then once it starts cooling down and goes up, you miss the boat. Today is a really perfect example of that. Buy the freaking fear, right? Do not be that person that sits on the sideline and just waits so long that Tesla just ramps up like it does today from the lows and could have made massive money, right? So Tesla, this is one of those things I'm looking into the day trade alerts, but it actually looked to be like a nice little swing trade. If you guys take the highs and the lows, you will see you have a clear trend. We had the high here is resistance, the low here is support, low here support, highs here resistance, and this is extremely bullish when you see a trend get hit, where you see the clear trend get hit and go under due to the massive volume and then the massive bad sentiment, and then it recovers right into the channel just to go back up to the upper channel here is what I suspect. The price targets you look for Tesla is an EMA 5, 10, and 20. We know price will do that. It has to do that, and it will do that. All price action in history does that. When you see price have this distance away from the EMA 5, 10, and 20, like in here, what does price does? It goes back and touches that, and we look for that those touches, guys. My best trades are obviously the ATR4. Anytime Tesla does that, we obviously all need to take a stab at Tesla when it does it, or even gets close to the ATR4, which is this lower band here. And it does it quite often because Tesla's very fluent, it's very volatile, and what happens is it goes way up, but then when it gets close to the upper band, it goes way down. And that's just the nature of it. I could show you plenty and plenty of examples of this system doing it. And right here, when we have this massive time distance here at the upper trend channel, we come tumbling down for some nice puts. But Tesla has been always consistently respecting the lower band here. Every time it hits the ATR4, it's had a massive run up. And I'm telling you, even in this big market correction, we're still not at an ATR4. That just shows you how strong the system is. It has to be a big market correction or over time for us to be like, oh wow, we hit the ATR4. And that just shows you, and stocks do it all the time. We have lots of big cap stocks, just like Tesla, that have been a nice buy signal. We wouldn't have got it in right in here. As you can see, when the market started going down, probably people bought the dips too early. But this was the dip here to get in, accumulate under the trend, which is right in here, a nice trend channel touch, and we come right back in, and I will sell it at the EMA 5 and 10. EMA 5 and 10 or the middle channel here. Make nice consistent profit on Tesla. So that's the channel here. Until we get a breakout out of a channel, just do what the channel's doing. We have very clear support, very clear resistance. We're close to the ATR4, so if all else fails, you could buy a lot more at the ATR4. Tesla's very safe. It's a very strong stock. It's going to be there for years upon years, but you want to make sure you get a nice entry because this was beautiful. Tesla was down at 1.10%, and it ended the day at 4%, so you could have made massive money just based on that right in here. Look at these big bullish candles just coming in. The algos have to correct it. It can't be sustained under these ATRs and this trend channel. They are going to respect those areas, guys. Remember, these trend channels are big supports. Algos know exactly where something goes. This right here was the damage. It went under it. You shouldn't be scared because a lot of the times candles can do that. It can absolutely do that. And if you get close to the ATR4, which is here, you're very bullish. That is extremely bullish. All right, guys, this is my analysis for Tesla. If you guys find big cap stocks, let me know in the Discord. I'm always watching the ones that everyone knows. You guys are more than welcome that are just watching my video on Tesla, my analysis, and how I made massive money on Tesla puts way back in here. And the reason why I knew that is because, one, we had to correct to the EMA 5. We knew we had a solid correction that was going to come. It had to do it, and this is what happened here. You can only do the trend so long. These are very shorter term trends, so when we hit this upper band here, we knew that correction was going to happen, and we haven't touched this EMA 5 for some time, and that's why you get these big bumps. You can play both sides of the coin, guys. Play both sides of the coin, know what you're doing, and you'll make massive money with this strategy. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys want to join the premium Discord, feel free to get in. It's a very cheap service with an over 95% win ratio, doing exactly what the chart tells us to do. No bias. What does the chart say? Get in, get out, and make your consistent profit. If you guys want to join, click the link down below in the YouTube comments or in the description. It'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts and system. And you can see the high accuracy we have. When you come in, it'll take you to this free chat landing page. Head on over to Server Shop in the top left, and you'll see we offer 2 services. Definitely get the Day and Swing Trading Plus for $12 a month. And if you subscribe on your computer, it is a flat rate of $12. It'll never go over. But if you do it on your phone, it is a little more expensive because you have to pay the iOS fee. So try to do it on a computer, or if your phone browser, if you only have an Android. And like I said, guys, you're going to get full transparency. You're going to get my RTK journal to prove that I win over 95%. You're going to get my live streams that I go live for you guys almost every day to show you guys what exactly I'm looking at with confidence. Day trade education, swing trade education, all for a price of $12. This is Tesla. Guys, this thing, it looks, extremely bullish every time it hits this. If it goes back and reverts to the lower trend here, buy some Tesla shares. Put it into your longer term, your safer accounts, and scalp that thing 5 to 10%. Keep making money on it. Hope to see you guys in the next video. If you guys like this video, give a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you guys in the Discord. Let's make some money this week. All right, peace out.